I'm John with Saddle Point Systems, and today I'm going to show you how to change the cartridge on your P31 Powis printer. First step is to open the door. And we look inside and you can see the silver cartridge that's in there. We're going to put a thumb on top and a couple fingers on the bottom and pull it from the bottom slightly so we hear a click, and then we can pull the whole thing straight out evenly until the cartridge is free. This way we don't damage the foil while we're taking it out. Take your new cartridge, this one's a gold cartridge, and rotate the gear on top clockwise a little bit to make sure you've got a nice tight section of foil. You can see inside where the cartridge sits. Set it in there at a bit of an angle, and then just lean it forward and it'll kind of fall into place. Press in the middle to click it in. And you can look inside right there and make sure that your foil didn't get crumpled. Rotate the drive gear. Sometimes they click, sometimes they don't. And just push one more time in the middle to make sure it's fully seated into place. Close the door. And you're done. Thanks for watching.